So area of quadrilateral ABCD is nothing but what? Delta equal to what? Root over S minus A into S minus B into S minus C into S minus D minus ABCD cos square alpha, where alpha is what? B plus D divided by 2, and S is what? Sum of the sides A plus B plus C plus D divided by 2, that is S. Now we are finding other formula. For that, what you will do? A we are joining with C and B we are joining with D. Intersection point is suppose D. Intersection point diagonal is what? Suppose O. So here, suppose this one area delta 1. O A D area is what? Delta 1. This one is area what? Delta 2. This one is area is delta 3, and this one is what? Delta 4. So area of A B C D, okay, is delta. Is nothing but what? Delta 1 plus delta 2 plus delta 3 plus delta 4. Okay, this will come. Okay, suppose this angle is what? Theta. Then this angle is nothing but what? Pi minus theta. And this angle is what? Theta. Then this angle is what? Pi minus theta. So what is delta 1? So delta equal to, delta 1 is nothing but what? This one area. Area of OAD. It is nothing but what? 1 by 2. This side OA into OD, and this angle is what? Theta. So sine of this angle. So OA into OD into sine of theta plus delta 2 is what? This one. So this is what? 1 by 2 OD into OC, and this angle is what? Pi minus theta. So what will become? 1 by 2 OD into OC into sine of pi minus theta plus this one area delta 3. So this is nothing but what? 1 by 2 OC into OB into sine of this angle is what? Theta, sine of theta plus delta 4, this one. So this one is what? 1 by 2 OA into OB, 1 by 2 OA into OB into sine of, what is this angle? Pi minus theta, sine of pi minus theta. This will come. Okay, so we simplify this one. So delta equal to what? 1 by 2 OA OD into sine of theta plus 1 by 2 OD into OC. Sine pi minus theta is what? Sine theta. Sine theta plus 1 by 2 OC into OB sine theta as it is plus 1 by 2 OA into OB, and sine pi minus theta is what? Sine theta. This will come. Okay. So delta equal to what? See, if you see these two terms, okay, so 1 by 2 OD sine theta and 1 by 2 OD sine theta we are taking common. So 1 by 2 OD sine theta we are taking common. Remaining is what? Here OA is remaining plus here what is remaining? OC plus. Now in these two terms, if you see 1 by 2 same only. This is what? OB, and this is also OB. Sine theta same. So what will come? 1 by 2 OB sine theta we are taking common. So here what is remaining? OC plus, and here what is remaining? OA. This will come. Okay, so what will come? Delta equal to, see, you can see here 1 by 2 sine theta OA plus OC, and here 1 by 2 sine theta OA plus OC. So we can take common. So sine theta in bracket OA plus OC we are taking common. Remaining is what? Here remaining is what? OD plus here remaining is what? OB. This is remaining. So delta equal to what will come? 1 by 2 sine theta as it is. What is OA plus OC? Okay, so you can see OA is this one and OC is this one. So OA plus OC is nothing but AC. So this is nothing but AC into OD plus OB. So OD is what? This one, and OB is what? This one. So OD plus OB is nothing but what? BD. So this was what? BD. This will come. So delta equal to what? 1 by 2 sine theta into AC into BD. Okay, so this is what? Product of diagonals. Okay, and theta is what? Angle between diagonals. So area of quadrilateral ABCD is nothing but 1 by 2 product of diagonals into sine of the angle of diagonals.